Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson, Oliphaunt. Choose the correct options. How big is Oliphaunt? It is as big as the earth. It is as big as a house. It is as big as a mouse. Which one is correct? It is as big as a house. What happens? What happens when Oliphaunt walks? The other animals run towards him. The houses break. The earth shakes. The earth shakes. Read the lines and answer the questions. Biggest of all, huge, old and tall. Who is the biggest of all? Oliphaunt. What are the three ways in which we can describe it? Big nose, it has a big size, okay? It has a big nose, it has a it has a big size like a house, and it has a big flapping ears. So all this described as it is very big. Okay. In what ways does this creature resemble an elephant? So how it resembles? The color of the Oliphaunt is grey, and even the elephant's color also grey, and the nose that is like a snake, it's also resembles elephant, and flapping ears and size all resembles. Next, if you never do, you won't think I am true. Who is the speaker here? Oliphaunt. What does do refers to? Do refers to meat. Why wouldn't we think the speaker is true? If we never see or never meet him, we never think that he is true. Okay, understood? Next comes to the vocabulary. Make a list of the other rhyming words in the poem. So, what are the rhyming words? Mouse, house, snake, shake, grass, pass, mouth, south, ears, ears, round, ground, all, tall. Okay, all these are the rhyming words in this poem. Write 3 rhyming words for each of the given words in your notebook. So you have to write any 3 rhyming words. Okay, first one is tap. What to write for tap? Tap, tap, gap, cap, map. Okay, next comes to second, round. Round, ground, ground, found, Bound. Okay, next shoe. Blue. Clue. Glue. Okay, next gate. Gate, date, hate, fate. Next break. Break, take, ache, shake. Okay, next red. Red, bed, fed, led. Okay, bed, fed, led. Okay, read the sentences and underline the sound words. So sound word means the word which makes a sound, like see in the poem, the tree crack when Oliphaunt walks in the past. In the same way, we have to underline what is the sound words. The boy splashed around in the pool. What's the sound word here? Splashed. Splash. Water splash. Okay. The honking of the car startled the baby. Honking. The chirping of the birds fill the forest. The chirping. The coconut hit the ground with a thump. Thump. I could hear the pitter-patter of the rain outside. So, what's the sound of the rain here, there? Pitter-patter. The door of the old house creaked as Ria opened it. How it make a sound? Creaked sound. Understood? This is about the second lesson, Oliphaunt. Tomorrow we will see the third lesson, north, south, east, west. Okay? Thank you.